Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You will begin by opening and orienting Excel with keys only. Press the Windows key, type Excel, and hit Enter to launch. Once Excel is open, use Alt to reveal ribbon shortcuts and press corresponding letters to open tabs. Make sure numlock and FN are set so F1, F12 work, otherwise use Alt sequences. Practice basic navigation. Arrow keys move one cell, Control plus arrow jumps to data edges, and Tab/Enter move right/down. These first steps get you in and ready to edit quickly. Now you'll perform core editing without a mouse. Press F2 to edit a cell in place. Type your value, then press Enter to confirm. To select cells, hold Shift and use arrow keys. Hold Control as well to jump by regions. If you need to select entire rows or columns, use Shift plus space or Control plus space first, then extend selection. Use Control plus C, Control plus X, Control plus V to move data, and Control plus Z to undo mistakes. Once done, use Control plus S to save, ensuring your work won't be lost. Finish by building formulas and managing sheets keyboard only. Type equals then the function name, press Tab to accept suggestions and use arrow keys to choose arguments, Enter to apply. Move between sheets with Control plus page up and Control plus page down, or press Shift plus F11 to add a sheet. If something goes wrong, press ESC to cancel edits, use F9 to force a recalculation, and Control plus Z to revert recent actions. If Excel becomes unresponsive, try Alt plus F4 to close, then reopen and use Auto Recover to restore work.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.